1000. It's cool.
Yep.
We've got identical controls in the front seat and the back seat.
Okay.
So we can fly from either position. So I put you in the front. There's more so you can see better.
That's good.
How much do you weigh?
85 kilos. Is that right?
Put weight in the tail and in the nose.
Yeah.
So I just asked I can change the weights if we're not right, but that's good. If you're 85, that works well. So I'll get you in here first.
Okay, so I'll hop in.
Yeah, so basically just like a bathtub. I'll put you on the nose for you. Here, it tells us how fast we're going. It's like the speedo in the car. So, but it's in knots. Now 1 knot is close to 2 kilometres an hour.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll be flying normally times around 55, 60 knots, which is probably about 120 kilometres an hour, 100, 120 kilometres an hour.
That's fast.
We can go 150. Getting up close to 300 kilometres an hour. Okay, this tells us how high we are. Against, I've had it about above sea level. Party time.
Party time, yeah.
Traffic 40 above Skatango, glider take combination, rolling 23 Gawler.
Here we go.
History of a glider. Newton's first law of motion says that a moving body will keep moving in the same direction until a force acts to turn it. The force that turns the glider is the lift of the wing. In level flight, wing lift works upward, supporting the glider but not turning it. Gliders or sailplanes are aircraft which do not have a motor or an engine. Gliders are controlled by their pilots using control sticks. In gliders with 2 seats, each pilot has a control stick. Gliders cannot get into the air by themselves. They are pulled up into the air by an aircraft with a motor, or they are pulled by a motor on the ground. Aircraft with these features are able to soar or climb efficiently in rising air produced by thermals or hills. In still air, sailplanes can glide long distances at a high speed with a minimum loss of height in between. How fast does a glider fly? A modern glider can fly at over 150 miles per hour, although more often we fly between 50 to 90 miles per hour. See? How high can we go? Gliders climbing and thermals normally stop at cloud base, which can be anything from 3,000 to 6,000 feet. Did you know how the glider fly? Thermal lift, which is the most common ways and means to gain altitude in a glider. Gliders take advantage of the atmospheric phenomena. These are the columns of hot air which are generated by a surface heated by the sun. This air becomes less dense than the surrounding air and begins to rise rapidly. The glider, when entering a thermal, can begin in a circle pattern to stay inside it and gain altitude until the thermal disappears or weakens. This is what the birds do.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,
above the for now.
Ready to land. Woohoo! We land. Very nice experience.
Sorry about that. Come back, Tim.
Thank you so much, Brendan.
Sorry about that noise. What it is, put that tow plate in front of us.
That's all. Sweet. Aeroplano. Uy. Talingaw kay ka?
Ay, wala.
Ha? Ito man kita sa above the sky.
Patuwing lang, please. Patuwing sa figure.
Oo.